Did you know there is a connection between the consumption of foods rich in fat and sugar and altered brain function that promotes high calorie intake and excessive weight gain? For a long time, genetic predisposition has been made culpable for the altered brain function that promotes a cycle of overeating and weight gain. While some have argued that this altered brain function occurs post-obesity, findings from a new study shift the paradigm by discovering a unique mechanism. Without disputing the contribution of what is previously known, this study suggests that the neurological rewiring from repeated exposure to high-fat and sugar diets could be the major driver of overeating and obesity. To figure out the contribution of obesity-inducing altered brain function in consumption of foods rich in fat and sugar, the research investigators manipulated the diet of a randomized group of healthy individuals by subjecting them to snacks rich in fat and sugar or snacks low in fat and sugar, with equal calorie count for a short period of 8 weeks, while they maintained their regular diet. It was observed that consumption of high-fat and high-sugar snacks reduced preference for low-fat and low-sugar foods, while rewiring the brain reward system to increase interest and appetite for highly palatable, energy-dense foods like milkshakes. Since these observations occurred independent of weight gain and alteration in metabolism, findings from these studies suggest a mechanism of excessive calorie intake inducing altered brain function that is not secondary to established obesity and could be independent of existing natural predisposition. Thus, like addictive drugs, individuals exposed to high-calorie and energy-dense foods become neurologically conditioned to require a high-fat and high-sugar nutritional fix. In the end, the authors of this study propose an interesting concept, which partially shifts the blame from individuals to the environment. In what is now a reality where individuals cannot afford healthy meals and unhealthy energy-dense foods are more readily available, such individuals are at a high risk of becoming overweight or obese due to the neurological altering effect of energy-dense foods. In the end, it is worth knowing that worldwide obesity has nearly tripled since 1975. Hence, the onus falls on both society and individuals to control the obesity epidemic. To learn more about this research, kindly click the link below.